My name is Poetry Alisa.
My name is Vira Feliska.
Today we will tell how to make iced coffee milk and keep watching up.
Why don't we make iced coffee milk?
Good idea.
Let's go.
Ingredients.
The ingredients is milk, coffee, ice, cold water,
Tools.
and the tools is spoon and glass.
Steps.
Step 1. Pour coffee into the glass. Just 1 spoon. And a little hot water. And stir until evenly distributed. Secondly, after the coffee dissolve, add liquid milk. And stir evenly. Step 3. Add enough water. Then put ice cups into the glass.
And iced coffee milk is ready to be enjoyed.
It's very hot.
I'm very tired today. It's very hot.
Oh my god.
Where do we? 1. Pour the coffee into the glass. And a little hot.
Stop. Okay.